Besties, hey, I finally figured out how to get that luminous, glass-like, soft skin without it being greasy or like fake, like sparkly things. And it's the Divine Elixir Manuka Honey plus Vitamin C oil from SKINN. So I'm 61 years old and I'm really dry. And it's hard to get that glow. So I use it under my moisturizer. I use it over my moisturizer, and I use it over foundation and powder too. And I'm never dry, but I'm also never greasy. I mean, look at that glow. Let me show you what I do. So after makeup and foundation, I use 3 drops, so I'm putting it on my skin, and then just 2 drops. You warm it up like this and you cup it over makeup and powder, especially like on this area, right? Like I don't put it on my nose, but you could, because it's not greasy at all, but look at that. Like literally, so I have foundation on, I have powder, but it looks like real skin. So it kind of like melts it all together, makes it like luminous and hydrated and have that gorgeous plump glow.